Model: 2011 Nissan Navara diesel double cab pickup Acenta 2.5dCi 194 wheel drive body, black 4x4 mileage, 167617 MOT, the 30th of May 2024 engine, 2488 cc YD 25 kAi3, E4 transmission, 5-speed manual, mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect, the clutch is slipping really bad, it will need replacing. There's no nasty noises or vibration, just slipping clutch, so will be straightforward cheap repair. Grin condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: part service history, electric windows, cruise control, 2 keys, aircon, EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.